All right, so we're going to be making landmark and friendly numbers during this number talk. So this number talk consists of problems in which one add-in is 2 away from a multiple of 10 or a landmark number. So during the video, if you need to pause it for thinking time or to explain your answer to someone at home, you can do so. So I'm going to begin with a warm-up. All right, so if you're sitting at home, you can pause it now. Usually I give students about 20 to 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna come back with their answer. So if you have a chance, go ahead and explain it to someone at home. All right, so our equation was 10 plus 5. 10 is a multiple, or it's a landmark number, it's a multiple of 10. So 10 plus 5, this would be our teen number. 10 with 5 more. If you needed to, you could have counted on doing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is a warm-up. So each time I display the equation to my students, I give them a little bit of thinking time and they can explain their answer to a brother, a sister, a grandma, a dog, or even to themselves, writing it down. All right, so we're gonna begin now. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of thinking time as I show the equation. So again, if you need to, you can pause it. All right. So if you were working on this one, you would make the multiple of 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 more. 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, we're gonna move on to our next one. So again, our goal is to make a multiple of 10 or a landmark number. That means that our ones place has a 0 in it. All right, ready? Display. Some thinking time. Remember to pause it if you need to. Okay, so I have 8 plus 5. 8 is closer to our landmark number. So I know a lot of times we use this to decompose our numbers, but in this case, we want to make a math fact family. So 5, if I'm thinking about getting 8 to 10, I know 8 plus 2 equals 10, which means the other number in this family is 2 plus 3 equals 5. So I would take 8 and 2 equals 10, 10 plus 3, again, so 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, we've got 2 more for this number talk. All right, getting ready to display. Be sure to pause it, use some thinking time. All right, 8 and 7. So again, I remember the multiple, to get to the multiple of 10, I need 8 plus 2, and I need to figure out what other number helps me make 7. So if you're having trouble with this part, you can grab 2 and count on to 7. So you can grab 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means the other number in this math fact family is 5. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Right, and we've got one more. This last one is a little bit more challenging to think about how to decompose your number to get it to a multiple of 10. All right, give yourself some thinking time for this one. Remember, we want to find a landmark number. All right, so in this case, some of my friends might be able to remember that, well, 8 plus 2 equals 10, and 10 equals 20. If not, I can actually decompose the 12 into a 10 and a 2, and then I can add 8 plus 2 equals 10, and then 10 plus 10 equals 20. All right, so you can rewatch this video and pause it where you need to, but I'll be uploading number talks as much as I can. Thank you guys.